Another way to find out HCF of the given numbers is long division method. Now let us find out the HCF of these numbers using long division method. The numbers are 680 and 935. In long division method, we make the number that is the smaller one. Here 680 is smaller, so we will make it the divisor, and 935 will be the dividend. Now we will divide these two numbers in the same way as we do division of whole numbers. So 680 ones are 680. Subtract them. We will get 5 here. 3, you cannot subtract 8 from 3, so after borrowing it will become 13. 13 minus 8 will be 5, and here now 8 is left, so 8 minus 6, 2. We have 255 as remainder. So in the next step now, this remainder will be the next divisor. Means now 255 will be the divisor, and the first divisor, that is 680, will become the new dividend, which means we have to divide 680 by 255 now. So 255 twos are 510. Now subtract it, you will get 0, 7 and 1. Again we will repeat the same step. Now 170 will be the next divisor, and the next dividend will be this 255. Again divide 255 by 170. So 170 ones are 170. Subtract them, it will be 5. Borrow from 1, it will become 15. So 15 minus 7 will be 8. 85. And now the next dividend will be 170. So when we will divide this 170 by 85, you will see 85 twos are 170. We got remainder equals to 0 now. So at this stage, when you get the remainder equals to 0, you have to stop here and you have to find the last divisor. Here the last divisor is 85. Okay, so you have to find the last divisor, and this last divisor will be the HCF of the numbers. So HCF of 680 and 935 is 85. This is the answer. In the next question, three numbers are given to us: 748, 408 and 612. We have to find out the HCF of these three numbers using long division method. But we know that we can divide only two numbers at a time. So here also we will take two numbers. Any two you can take. Here we are taking 748 and 408. And we will find out their HCF in the same way as we did in the previous question. So HCF of 748 and 408. You can see 408 is smaller than 748. So write 408 as divisor and 748 will be the dividend. Now divide these two numbers. 408 ones are 408. 8 minus 8, 0. 4 left and here 3 is left. Now 340 is the remainder. So it will be the next divisor and the new dividend will be 408. So write 408 as dividend now. Divide 408 by 340. 340 ones are 340. Subtract them. It will be 8 and 6. Now 68 is the remainder and it will be the new divisor and the dividend will be 340. So write 340 as dividend now. Divide 340 by 68. So 68 5s are 340. Subtract them. Remainder is 0. So our division we have to stop here. Last divisor is 68. Therefore, HCF of 748 and 408 is equals to 68. Still, we have one more number, that is 612. So, in the next step, we will find out the HCF of 612 and 68. 68 is the HCF of first two numbers. So, whatever is the HCF of first two numbers, we will find its HCF with the other one, the last number which is left. So, HCF of 68 and 612. Here 68 is smaller than 612. So write 68 as divisor. 68 will be the divisor and dividend will be 612. 68, 8, 544. Subtract them. You'll get 8 and here 6. Now the remainder is 68. So 68 will be the divisor and the first divisor, that is also 68. It will be the new dividend. So 68 divided by 68 will be 68 ones are 68 and remainder is 0. Therefore, again we got the last divisor 68. So this divisor which we obtained in the second step, the last divisor, this will be the HCF of all the three numbers given to us. Therefore, answer is HCF of 748, 408 and 612 is equals to 68. In the next question, the numbers given to us are 156, 234 and 351. Again, we will take the two numbers, any two numbers we can take. So, we are taking 156 and 234. Now, find the HCF of 156 and 234. 156 is smaller than 234. So, we will write 156 as divisor and 234 will be the dividend. Now, divide 234 by 156. It will be 156 ones are 156. Subtract them. You will get 8 and 7 here. So 78 is the remainder. It will be the next divisor. Write the next dividend, which will be 156. 156 divided by 78. It will be 78 twos are 156. Subtract them, remainder is 0. Therefore, 78, which is the last divisor, it will be the HCF of 156 and 234. Now, in the next step, we will find the HCF of 351, which is the remaining left number which we left in the first step, and the HCF of the first two number, that is 78. So, HCF of 351 and 78. So write 78 as divisor and 351 as dividend. Now divide these two numbers. 78 fours are 312. Subtract them. Here 9 will come and here 3 will come. So remainder is 39. Now 39 will be the next divisor and write 78 as dividend. Now divide 78 by 39. You will get 39 twos are 78. Remainder is 0. So the final divisor, that is 39, will be the HCF of all three numbers. Therefore, answer is HCF of 156, 234 and 351 is equals to 39. In the next question, four numbers are given to us: 448, 616, 728 and 1064. So we will divide these four numbers into the group of 2. That means in one group there will be two numbers and in another group there will be two numbers. So let us first find out the HCF of first group, that is 448 and 616. So HCF of 448 and 616. Write 448 as divisor and 616 will be the dividend. Now divide 616 by 448. 448 ones are 448. Subtract them, you will get 8, and here 6 is left and 1 left here. Now 168 is the remainder and it will be the next divisor. Next dividend will be 448. Now divide 448 by 168. So 168 twos are 336. Subtract them. It will be 2, 1 and 1. Now 112 is the remainder. It will be the next divisor and write 168 as dividend now. So 168 divided by 112. 112 ones are 112. Subtract them. It will be 6 and 5. 56 left. So next divisor will be 56 and the dividend will be 112. Divide 112 by 56. So 56 twos are 112. Now the remainder is 0 and the last divisor is 56. So HCF of 448 and 616 is equals to 56. Now we will find out HCF of 728 and 1064. So HCF of 728 and 1064. Write 728 as divisor and 1064 as dividend. Now divide 1064 by 728. 728 ones are 728. Subtract them. It will be 6 here, 3 left and 3 left here. So 336 will be the next divisor. Write 728 as dividend. Now 336 twos are 672. Subtract them. It will be 6 and here 5 left. So 56 is left here. It will be the next divisor and write 336 as dividend. Now divide 336 by 56. 56 6 are 336. Subtract them. Remainder is 0. So here the last divisor is 56. Therefore HCF of 728 and 1064 is 56. But we have to find out the HCF of all the four numbers together. So what we will do in the last step, we will find HCF of first two numbers and the HCF of last two numbers. This 56 and 56, these are the HCF of first two numbers and last two numbers. In the third step, again we will find out HCF of these two numbers. Here in this case both the numbers are same, therefore you will get the HCF of all four numbers also 56. But the last step, in the last step what we have to do is we have to find out HCF of 56 and 56 because the first answer is 56 and the second answer is also 56. So it will be 56 divided by 56. 56 ones are 56. Subtract them, 0. Therefore, as you can see, the divisor is 56. So final answer is HCF is equals to 56. This is the HCF of all four numbers.